welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of the smart car, the Brabus. And first things first, we got to get it clean. Let's do this. On the road in the smart car. So why would somebody buy a smart car? Well, I got this one a few months ago. It was in about central Virginia, up in the mountains. And the main reason I bought it was because my mom wanted a car that was small, automatic, convertible, and something just comfortable and easy to drive. Everyone loves this car. I mean, I've had people with Vietnam War hats taking pictures, little kids, moms. We're actually going to do a test. Let's see how many people on the ocean front like my smart car. Alright y'all, the ocean front was a bust. It was way too windy and cold, and there's like nobody out there. So we're going to try out the first landing park. I'm gonna turn around right here.
Alright, sounds good. So the other thing too, if you did just want, driving through is completely free. It's just parking. So if you did want to drive through and just kind of check out the park on the drive through, it's only about a mile down. Totally able.
I'm parking. Alright y'all, I just finished up that B-roll for the video, and we're about to go find some nice driving roads to show you what this car can really do. Need some downshifts. That single clutch transmission. I don't want to go too crazy today. You can really tell how light this car is when you start driving it fast. Around the corners, its tires grip the road so well. You don't need humongous brakes or power. Downshift, transfer that weight to the front, get back on it to exit the corners. Slow down because there's some houses up here. Man, what a fun car to drive. And we're only going about 40 miles per hour. Alright, we do have some big trucks ahead. They're not going to allow us to have very much fun, so let's turn around. Do that again. And the car's so light. The braking, the steering, the handling, and the acceleration is just plenty to have fun. This car is a ride, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review.